this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect Odoo to N8N and start automating your workflows. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips. First, log into your Odoo account. Click your profile icon at the top right and select Preferences. Then go to Account Security and find Developer API keys. Create a new API key and give it a descriptive name like N8N integration. Make sure to copy the key immediately. It won't always be visible again. Next, switch to your N8N instance and go to the Credentials section. Create a new Odoo credential by entering your site URL, username, API key, and the database name of your Odoo instance. Double check everything for accuracy. And that's it. Your Odoo account is now connected to N8N. You can start building workflows that automate tasks, sync data, and streamline your business operations. Thanks for watching and happy automating.